Alright, y'all. What up, YouTube? This your boy K from K&T Power Flower. What we have here is a homemade small little grow box that I made. Just use cardboard. I put some lights in. I have like 4 mystery seeds that I got from my sister out of all this stuff that she had. And so I just wanted to show y'all. We'll do an update. I germinated these seeds on let's look here on the calendar. I'll show you guys this here. On the 17th of January, started germination in a shot glass with water. Had it in my veg tent with a heating mat. And then Saturday, put them into soil, Fox Farm soil, red cups. And had them in the heating mat until tonight, which is Monday night. And you'll be seeing this by Monday night. I'm gonna upload it. But yeah, I know my box is kind of tilted a little bit, but it's just something I put together. I started out with aluminum foil. Don't do that, very bad. Learned that from watching the video really quickly. So YouTubers, always watch other YouTubers and we learn from each other. So if you like that part, give this video a thumbs up. And anyways, so I put 3 lights in. They are, I think, 28 watts or something. Let me grab them here. 23 watts. So just basic 5,000K. I just wanted to do like a small little spot that's 24 hours lighting. So I decided to put this Tupperware here. Well, more like a container with a cover on it, but I took the cover off, put the saran wrap on top. I left 3 lights on here, and then I just lifted it up with the other little box here, and they're just Amazon boxes. So I just used the stuff that comes with the tents inside after I found out about the aluminum foil. So there's the lights there. Get a closer picture here. Hope it's not too bright for you guys when you're watching it. But then, you know, I have my couple seeds here. You see a little bit of water condensation that's going on in there. So I think it might work. And then I have another flap here, and you can kind of tell on the flap, there it goes, that I have another cutout or extra piece that they send you from the tent company who send you your tents. So tell me down in the comments what you guys think about it. Something new I wanted to try out. I'm gonna probably have to change the spot because I do use my garage, but I'm gonna end up taking those lights down and actually really building a real box. And I want to show you guys the process of me building the box and me building all the new stuff that I'm gonna start doing with my medical cannabis here and my medical marijuana, whatever you guys want to call it. But yeah, so hopefully you guys, you know, enjoy this video. Maybe you see this setup and you might want to do your own setup. So hopefully somebody else sees this and, you know, you'll like it. This is your boy K from K&T Power Flower, and that's it, and I'm out, y'all.